Follow USN's 3-step body makeover to help you lose weight with USN Diet Fuel, FedraCut XT and CLA. USN, it's all about results.
The USN Summer Body Makeover Challenge is on. Meet the finalists competing for the best body of their life. A heart valve repair 5 years ago was a wake-up call for 34-year-old finalist Gillian Lowe.
When I came to discover the challenge on Expresso SABC3, I realized that, wow, I could be an ideal candidate. It's a journey that I would like to embark on and looking forward to the challenge all in itself. I'm not where I would like to be in terms of my fitness, in terms of my physique, and I think the challenge would be ideal for me. I would want to win because I believe I've got an excellent chance. I'm excited at the idea of it, and I'm going to give it my all. Biggest obstacle is going to be having to adapt and change my eating habits, and that's going to be an obstacle for me. Product that stood out for me was the FedraCut. Very excited at it. When I achieve my ideal body, I'm just going to flaunt it. Bikini body, beach ready, I'm excited.
While Gillian is determined, finalist Heinrich Grenier is on a tight schedule. This bridegroom-to-be wants to get in shape and impress his fiancée on their honeymoon.
When I saw the body challenge makeover, I actually wanted to enter a previous season, and we never got to it in sending in the details. And a couple of days before the closing date of this show, I said to myself, right, now I need to do this. With my current diet physique training program, I'm absolutely not happy. I would definitely need to be more fit. One of my aims is to do the 94.7 again. I've done it twice already, and here I am. Well, I think I'm a good candidate for this body makeover life challenge. At the end of the year, I'm getting married, so it works perfectly. I'm going to have a new body, I'm going to have a new lifestyle, and I think it would just be for the better. Well, the goals what I want to achieve, number one is obviously having a brand new body, definitely much more fitter, brand new lifestyle, and hopefully spread that to family members, to my fiance. My primarily goal is to achieve better lifestyle, to lose fat, to become a better person for myself. If there's goals to need to win, it's my personal goals that I need to win. Well, I think USN is quite a big brand. I've watched the USN products in numerous shops, read through all of their brochures on the websites. I've watched Expresso with the challenges, and if I can, when I see the results that's actually been achieved, I think that would be perfect for me to actually do this and have the same results. As if for my new body, I'll definitely want to share it with my fiance and that time wife.
Dream on, Heinrich, says finalist Michael Edwards, who plans to go from average to awesome with the help of USN's FedraCut, the ultimate fat loss activator and energy booster.
I've had 2 kids now, no time for myself. I've been on a bad diet, things like that. And when I saw an Expresso show this whole challenge, I said, well, this is a great motivation to get me back to what I used to look like. Look, my diet's quite bad at the moment. I eat anything. I have used supplementation before, and I had a very good experience with it. It's a personal challenge to me. I obviously want to win the competition. What I want to gain from this whole thing is a good body. My obstacles are going to be the eating, okay, the sweet part, and just the social drinking as well. I'm obviously going to stop all of that and dedicate 100% to this show. Yeah. When I achieve my body, obviously go down to the beach and flaunt it.
Finalist Melissa Ferreira is eager to learn all the secrets to achieving a healthy, balanced lifestyle. Her goal is to simply look gorgeous in 12 weeks.
I was watching Expresso the one morning, and at that moment I actually just saw that they were having this competition, the USN Challenge, and that it was, you know, almost closing time for them. So I just took a chance, took the photo, I sent it in on the Monday, and there it was. A week later, Gareth phoned me, and I made it. And it's a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity, you can't say no. I'm very eager, I'm very dedicated. Once I put my head on something, I go all the way, I'll go through with it. How I feel about my body now, I'm quite impressed actually. I've lost about 7 to 8 kgs in the last 7 months, so I really feel good about that. I just feel this challenge will just set me in the right direction just to achieve, you know, the whole lifestyle thing. I mean, I want to do this for a lifestyle, not just for 12 weeks. And also for me is I want to try to change my exercising schedule to mornings. So I think getting up early, like 4 or 5 o'clock, that's going to be a challenge. But yeah, it's one of those things I have to do it and I want to do it. The product that stood out the most for me was the USN Protein IGF. So I definitely think I will make this challenge. The kind of body I'm looking for is a beach body. Tan, brown, beautiful beach body. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with it. Obviously, flaunt it.
Good luck to all the finalists. Each received the easy-to-follow Body Makeover Starter Pack from USN. It contains FedraCut, CLA, Diet Fuel and Pure Protein. Everything they need to kickstart their transformation. Tune in again tomorrow as we reveal the 4 celebrity contestants and introduce a mystery contestant.
Follow USN's 3-step body makeover to help you lose weight with USN Diet Fuel, FedraCut XT and CLA. USN, it's all about results.